Hello, 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 wherever you are. This video is going to be really short and quick. It's just to explain to you the Think and Grow Rich Action Challenge. It's all about taking action. So somebody was asking me, how do I do it? So well, first you got to get it. First you got to get yourself a copy. There's a link down there somewhere in the description or the title or description or somewhere in the box below in the comments. Maybe I might just pin it so you don't lose it. It's a pinned post. So get a copy. All you gotta do is get a copy and do it for 30 days. Really, it's just to read it every evening. It's an evening program. It's not a course, it's not a sales pitch, it's not nothing. It's just something you print. You want to find a way to print it out. And every evening, you just read what you have for the week. There are action steps in red to wake you up subconsciously. And you just do them. Second week, same thing. You just read it. Even if you don't want to read it that night. You hold it in your hand. Physically touch it. Simply just read. People ask me, what's it all about? It's about Think and Grow Rich, the original, for you, 1937, for you. The missing secret in this book that's been talked about, that people are wondering what it is action. Taking action. So this is an action challenge. So you get it and you just read it every evening. And in 30 days, some remarkable things will be coming or have come for some. Check out our Facebook group. You can see the testimonials of people who have been going through the challenge in less than like 7 days, like, oh my God. I'm like, yeah, you're taking action. I'm getting results fast. You're taking action. That's the missing secret of everything. Back in as you can see, this is the law of success. That's not the right one. This is. And so we come here. I have to keep saying this over and over again. I got repetitions to keep telling you people. Lesson 5. I hope you're able to see that. If not, it's chapter 5, action. So, that's why we have an action challenge. Just every evening, just read it. If you don't feel like reading it, just hold it. One of the first things that you'll be reminded in the action challenge is to do the 6 steps. The 6 steps to desire, which is on chapter 2, where you decide what you want, pick what you want. I put mine on a card and I follow my action steps. I'm doing my own program. I'm doing my own program. This is still part of week 1 of the program. So if anybody's asking, this is what you do. You just get the program, print it if you can. If you can't, that's okay. Read it off your device. But if you can print it, that's fine. If anybody wants a copy, print it, mail to you while you're still going through it. If you want a printed copy of the program, let me know in the comments. I'll arrange it in a way that you'll get a copy mailed to you. Most important is you want to be able to just have it for 30 days. I'm not doing a 9-month challenge. It's 30 days. It's action. Your life can change in a second. Your life will take quantum leaps in 30 days if you do this challenge. Even if simply just trying to attempt the challenge shows initiative. You've taken an initiative. You've become a leader to yourself. So I would suggest printing that out, getting a copy of Think and Grow Rich if you can. I know, try to get this one if you can, but it's probably sold out online. If you've checked, ever since I made my last video that went viral, all the copies are gone. So I have this one. Oh my God, thank God. I got 2. Double the blessing. So anyway, if you can get yourself a copy of the original 1925, please get it. Share it with your family, your kids, your loved ones, your relations, whatever. The action chapter is in here. If you can't find it and you don't have the action chapter, leave a comment below. I will take a photocopy of the action chapter and have it sent to you. So don't forget that. That's my blessing to you. If you go and look for these and you can't find them, let me know in the comments. I'll let you go and get a copy free, the PDF format. So that's the action challenge. That's what I want to share with you. Do as best as you can for studying this. If you can, join our Facebook group we have in there where people are going through and asking questions on how it's helping them and what they're trying to figure out, how to execute it. It's only 30 days. This is week 1. And I have my weekly webinars and Q&A calls where I'm helping people to go through it. I'm keeping people accountable to themselves. Well, I have to go. My mentor is calling me. Yes. Hello, sir.